Alright, I'll bring this thing back to life. Alright, so do you want to like hold up the bike or do you want to try wrenching? Ah. Okay. Good answer.
This one?
Yep. And you're going to go to the left. Left for loose, righty tighty. There's only certain times that it's not that way. I got some PBR blaster if they're jammed up, but you should be able to get them. You got it. Smart. I see what you did. Use the bar to... Okay, now close it all the way up. You know why? Do you know what this is? It's a hammer. Tap this up.
Like this?
Yeah, because I can't get it off. Yeah, you got it. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Just use the leverage. Just don't poke a spoke, you know? We should have bought some liners too. Yeah, kind of just, you know, just clean it up a little bit. I'll do this part. Stay like in the air, in the clear air. Good thing it's a really windy day actually. If you stay upwind, like if the wind's blowing this way, stay over here.
This one.
Yeah, see, I put half on, put the tube in, and now I'm just using my like weight to push the other half on. So far, so good. I might need the wrench at the end right here to kind of pry it on. I'll just use my grip. Bam. Yeah, try that technique. I think it'll work really good for you. If you can't get it, I'll help.